Do you ever unplug? Unplug from the noise, unplug from the distractions, unplug from everything that's going on. And that means no podcasts, no music, no earbuds, just you. I've been doing that lately. I've been unplugging on my walks, and it's been, I'd probably say, a few months. Before on my walks, it would be praise and worship or podcast or Bible recap or whatever it might be. And lately it's just time of reflection, being able to walk. And yes, there's the thankfulness and gratitude on it, but a lot of reflecting time during the thankfulness. And it just reminded me of how nice it is to take out the distraction, take out the noise, and just be able to think, be able to listen. Do you ever unplug? I mean, really, go for a walk. Don't put the earbuds in. Don't listen to anything. Just your thoughts. It might reveal something. Anyways, do you unplug?